Select the month cell. Then, go to the Data tab and choose Data Validation. Select List and type in every month. Click the new drop-down to select January. Type in the year below the month. At the top of the calendar, type in this formula. In the first cell of the calendar, type in this formula. Select the calendar dates. Go to the Home tab. Select Conditional Formatting. Choose New Rule. Enter this formula. Change the format to white font. Now you have a fully functional and dynamic calendar. Like and follow for daily tips.